Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So, you are already signed in but want to secure your Amazon account. Changing your password regularly keeps your account safe. Whether you are on mobile or PC, these steps are simple. This is especially important if you shop often or save cards. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna see on how to actually change your password in Amazon Shopping app or Amazon.com in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So go all the way to your PC or basically device, open it. Being fully connected to the internet is a must. Go all the way to Amazon.com. So right now, we wanna go and tap on your account here or basically select account from this list. Then go all the way to login and security. So as you see guys, they're gonna ask you to actually put your password again. All you're gonna do is put your password then tap to verify your identity. Then go and select edit next to password, enter your current one, create and save a new password. As for some tips, avoid using any personal info like your name or birthday for a password, it looks so dumb. You should also use a password manager if needed. And also after changing your password, Amazon may sign you out of other devices. This is basically normal. And that's the main idea here. You can even access your Prime membership, your order, your addresses, your payment methods, every other info about your account can be accessed from this list. So thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.